Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you want to hold your power button. Let's try that again. The power button is a little bit finicky. There we go. And select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Though give it like a decent 10 seconds for the device to turn off. So power button, volume down. And this boots us into Bootloader. Here you can use volume buttons to navigate through the options that will be displayed one by one where you see start right now. So scrolling down we'll have things like restart bootloader, which will just take us back here. Power off, enter or bootloader logs and barcodes, and we're back to start. Now additionally, this is also considered as a fastboot mode, which you can see that it's named right here in this red text. If I bring it a little bit closer maybe, there we go. Fastboot, flash mode. So this considers itself as basically two different modes. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the start, which you can then confirm once it's selected using the power button. And this will then put me back up into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.